Skyview News. Today is Wednesday, March 15th.
Hi, my name is Kiki and this is Cammie.
We have quite a few different segments today.
Today, our first segment is in a different language.
Whoa, English is my only language and my first language.
ASL is my first language and not my only language.
Hello, my name is Leilani Zamarripa and I am here with Skyview News. Today we are here in Spanish. The kids are working so hard on their projects.
The Spanish Weather Forecast Project is helping kids learn more about Spanish-speaking weather. They select 1 month and then create a weather forecast for all the days of the week. They do temperature as well. The temperature there is hot.
Hi, I'm Leilani Zamarripa and I'm here with Mason DeVille. What do you think about your presentation?
Well, I think it was fun. We got to do the forecast and we were making sentences and we were just doing stuff on that and coming up with our own ideas of what we want the forecast to be.
Like, how did it go?
It went good. The whole class knew what they were doing. It wasn't too difficult, so.
What month did you do?
I did September.
And why did you do it?
I don't know, it just felt like the right one to do because it was in between my birthday and Christmas. So.
Okay. Is this project hard?
Not really. I guess the hardest part is writing the sentences for each thing, for each day.
And why is this so hard?
Well, the sentences, there's a lot you have to write and you have to figure out like what to put where.
This is Richelle R and they're going to be telling us more about the 7th grade Spanish weather project. If you could, would you improve anything?
Yes, I would, because my sentences are a little bit off and I don't know Spanish.
And why?
Because I don't know Spanish like that.
Okay. What advice would you give to help others?
Listen to Miss Johnson, you guys. You'll not have a hard time if you actually listen.
Point taken. How could you improve anything if you had previous information?
If I had previous information, I would probably
These projects took a lot of hard work to do. These projects took a long time. They learned a lot about weather and calendars in Spanish. The kids have been working hard to complete these projects.
Once again, I'm Leilani with Skyview News. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Kiki and Cammie.
Thanks, Leilani.
I think it was pretty interesting. Have you ever taken a Spanish class, Cammie?
Nope, but it's definitely something to try.
Well, next we have a dissection project.
Ooh, I think 7th grade is doing a frog dissection.
I wouldn't be surprised. Let's hop to it.
Hello, my name is Katia and I'm here with Skyview News. We're going to be interviewing 7th grade students about their frog dissection project. These students are using tools such as scalpels and knives to get the organs out of the frog for the project.
7th graders have been working to dissect the frog and study its internal organs. Students will start with the exterior of the frog and make their way to the internal organs. Students will study the frog and take notes on what they do and see. This dissection will only be available for 7th graders.
Hi, I'm Katia and I'm here with Sadie Bliss. Have you enjoyed this dissection so far? What do you think about it?
I've enjoyed it a lot actually, but for the most part it's been kind of like weird, but it's definitely been a good experience.
Did you dislike anything about the dissection?
I did not really enjoy dissecting the brain because that was like the extra part that we wanted to do, so.
Why did you feel the way you did?
I just didn't, I liked it, but like, I definitely wouldn't do it again.
Thank you. This is Jaydyn Robinson and they're going to be telling us more about their frog dissection. How do you feel about this project? Why do you feel this way?
Well, it was pretty fun. It was interesting. Like seeing the frog was dead was a weird, but it was fine to me, like dissecting it and going through all the body parts and really. It was not that nasty to me.
Would you ever do this project again?
Definitely, because it was very fun.
Was the project like you imagined? Why or why not?
Yes, since you're like strapping down the frog, you're checking every organ, body part, like what it does for the body and stuff, and in the muscle system and every system in the frog, like our body. So yeah.
Thank you.
These 7th graders have been working really well with the project. The tools that students used were unique in their own way. Some were used for cutting and some were used for opening up the frog. Each student also had a goal of setting out different organs. Some took out stomachs, some took out the brain to study the way frogs' organs work. Overall, this project has been a success since it's teaching kids the anatomy of frogs.
Once again, I'm Katia with Skyview News. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Kiki and Cammie.
Whoa, thanks Katia. That really cut to the chase.
Definitely, Cammie. It was something weird to watch. Did you hear about the new store called the Eagle Store?
New store? That sounds cool.
Yeah, I wonder what Liam has to tell us about it.
Yeah, I wonder too. I think it's interesting.
We have to check it out. It only accepts Eagle bucks.
We all know that a store is where you buy things, but what do you get when you're in a rush? And can't you imagine buying random stuff and actually using the stuff? Hi, I'm Melber, and today I will be showing what is the Eagle Store.
You could buy stuff with Eagle Bucks that you earned by being on task and being respectful to your teachers. Here we're going to have some NHS students talk about the Eagle Store.
Okay, so the Eagle Store is really good. I bought tons of chips there, like Takis, like they're my favorite. Then you could buy like stuffed animals and bags and clothes.
There's this place at school you may have heard of called the Eagle Store. You could buy toys, snacks, etc.
The Eagle Store is where you can get the Eagle Bucks you were given for doing good things in school. And you can buy food, toys, like pencils, frisbees, Takis.
The Eagle Store has something for everyone, from school supplies to string bags to squishmallows. Want something? Head to the Eagle Store. From what everyone has heard, the Eagle Store has everything you need and want.
If you want more information, go to this email.
Thanks, Liam. That was some information I needed to know.
Maybe we should go to the store later.
Every Thursday sounds like a deal to me.
Most definitely. Did you know there's a whole day dedicated to peanut lovers?
I sure didn't know that. Did you know there's a day dedicated to confessions?
No, I didn't. We should watch the next segment.
Hello there, my name is Dooley and I'm here with Skyview News. Did you know that today is National True Confessions Day? Me either. I know someone has secrets and today is the day for them to be heard. Did you know about National Confessions Day?
No.
Do you have anything to confess?
No.
Is there anything you have in your mind and have not told anyone about?
Yeah.
Will you tell us?
No.
Okay. Is there anything that brings you down?
Yeah, sometimes.
What is that?
Not a lot of support.
Did you know about National Lovers or Peanut Lovers Day?
No.
Do you like peanuts or peanut butter?
Yes.
Do you like peanut butter or peanut flavored things? Why or why not?
I like peanut butter because it's just plain peanut butter and that's it pretty much.
How many peanuts do you think you could eat until you would throw up? Why or why not?
Probably just one jar. Because they're pretty good, but I actually eat a whole jar.
Did you know what the Ides of March is?
I wrote no.
Do you have any debts that you need to repay or have already repaid them?
Yes.
Does anyone want to attack you or has anyone already attacked you?
Maybe.
Which one?
People.
People?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Have you wanted to wear a toga? Why or why not?
What is a toga?
It's like, the sheet looking things.
Huh?
The sheet looking clothes?
No.
Once again, I'm Dooley here with Skyview News. Thank you for watching. Back to you, Cammie and Kiki.
Dooley sure has some good interview questions.
I think his interviews were pretty good.
Kind of surprised about all those national days. Makes me wonder what's up next.
Well, do you like scary movies?
Uh-oh, I don't do so good with those.
Cammie, stop being a scaredy cat.
Boy, me lad. Bye-bye, me friend. Yous peoples has done me wrong.
We should catch the leprechaun and get the money. Yeah, we should make a trap. Good idea. Where should we do it?
Just like in the corner.
Alright, sounds good.
So this is the plan. You like it?
Yeah.
So all we have to do is trap him in the corner. In the corner. Then we kill the leprechaun. Then we take him and we kill him again. And we go around here.
This is the best job I've ever seen. Yeah. It looks good. I think it would work. Yeah, the leprechaun will fall, and yeah. Yeah, the leprechaun just goes, yeah, then like we trap him. We got you now.
Oh no.
That's the idea for the trap.
Thank you.
Where'd the leprechaun go?
Ah! Oh no, he's dead.
You will never steal me gold.
I'm gonna kill that leprechaun. It's on now. It's the night the leprechaun dies.
Where are you? No.
I said you won't be stealing anybody's gold anymore.
I'm sorry. I'll give it back.
Nope. Is it over yet?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Okay. I still like the other segments more.
Well, we have to wrap up now.
Okay. Thanks for watching, Skyview Eagles.
Kiki and Cammie signing off.